the founder of this botanical garden, and he has a lot of credentials. And there was an introduction that the former Vice Chancellor of University of Karachi, but at the same time, he was the former Vice Chancellor of Federal Urdu University as well. Dr. Anjum, Director of this center, the deans, the faculty members, and the student. Assalamu alaikum. For me, it is indeed a great honor to be part of this event, marking the event of the Spring Festival, and it is about creating awareness among the students and the general public about the plants and flower, what role they have in any society. I am not expert in this particular field, but unfortunately as a Vice Chancellor I have to talk about 54 different subjects and different areas, though my field is public administration. But I think as a common man, everyone has a basic. Now it is easy to identify problems, but let's talk about solution as well. And as an educational institutions, we have to set examples that how we solve our problems. So with regard to water shortage, we have a plan with Dua Foundation that University of Karachi with the botanical garden, 4 acres of land has been allocated for the purpose of drip irrigation system. As an example, it's a one step. There is a technology, and I believe that the use of technology will help in our economic growth and strengthen our country. So 4 acres of land has been allocated in this botanical garden for this purpose, what we call is drip irrigation. And we have a plan with Sindh government about urban forest. 25 acres of land we have allocated, and we have already started the project with the Sindh government in terms of what we call is urban forest. But at the same time, I have talked to Dua Foundation, and we will have the urban forest in this particular center, in this botanical garden as well. And all these facilities will be provided by the Dua Foundation. I have talked to Dr. Fayaz, who is the director of Dua Foundation, that we will have this, what we call is drip irrigation. I think I have to take care of every department and every center, but I think this botanical garden is the face of University of Karachi. And if this is the face of University of Karachi, then we have to take care of this particular face. And this is my pledge that whatever the botanical garden resources they have, the University of Karachi will match the fund, and it will provide financial support to this botanical garden so that we can establish a beautiful place where we can invite people to visit University of Karachi. And particularly I will request the director to plan a visit of school and college children on monthly basis or a quarterly basis, so that they have a practical experience and they can see this beautiful garden. I know this garden is very much close to our close to Dr. Muhammad Kaisar, and I used to tend to have pain lot of time. मुश्किल होती थी जब डॉक्टर साहब से बात करते, तो most of the time we talk about the botanical garden. Yes, we are a concern about the University of Karachi, but this project के लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा concerned थे, and he devoted a lot of time. Let me make it clear. I remember at a time कि जी पानी का लाइन यहाँ तक कनेक्ट करने के लिए जो मुश्किलात थे, we talk to Karachi Water and Sewerage Board और दूसरे जितने भी लॉजिस्टिक होते हैं उसको आप समझ सकते हैं. But I think डॉक्टर साहब ने एज ए वाइस चांसलर बहुत सारे यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कराची को तोहफा दिया, but I think this is one of the most beautiful gift he has given to the University of Karachi. And Dr. Saab, inshallah ta'ala, everyone sitting here, we have a pledge that we will take care of this.